All right, we just made it to the top of Random Mountain. A lot of climbs today, but we're doing it. Whoa, man. We just got to our camp for the night, and you could tell the days are getting warmer. Look at all the salt on my shirt. All right, winding down another day. You got Tripod's tent back there. You got Timbers there. Got Lightning P right there, and you got me right here in the middle. Hey, Joanna. Huh? Remember when I called you Lightning P instead of Thunder P?
Yeah, that was not nice.
Yeah, that's my bad. It's Thunder P.
Are you filming this?
Yeah. Yeah. That's Thunder P. I'm sorry, everybody. It's Thunder P. You got an awesome sunset. Yeah, it's nice out here. Ain't bad. All right, we're at the top of Round Ball, baby. We are about to climb this beast. What a beast that is. You can tell how, I mean, like, to give it a little bit of a scale. Climbing this beast in 60-mile-per-hour winds. Oh, this is insane. Woo! We made it. We made it. That's where I was when I took that video earlier. Now we're at the top. Still just as windy as before. I'm getting off this thing. Doll Flats. It's about time to settle into camp. But this is where we leave NC. Let's do it right now. Let's go. Goodbye. On to the next. So it seems like everybody out here on the trail right now is picking these wild onions. I've always known them as leeks, but a lot of people out here are calling them ramps. And I will show you what these look like. All right, so here's what they look like. And we're in an area right now that really has a lot of them. All right, so what you do is you dig down a little bit. And you gotta try to work it out by the bulb. Yeah, there it is. All right, and you dig down and you work the bulb out like that. And there's the bulb, and literally all of this is edible. The leaf, everything. I've seen people out here putting these on like their wraps that they're eating. What I'll do later tonight is cut up this bulb and have it with some ramen. So give that a try. All right, so I just got set up at camp, and I am going to have a go at cooking with these leeks that I harvested earlier today. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take my knife and I'm going to dice these up into the pot. Okay, so I've got those cut up. And I didn't do very many because this is the first time. I don't want to go overboard here, so take a look. All right, so that's what we're working with. That seems like plenty for one pot of ramen. They are very strong. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the stove, and let's get those almost kind of like sauteing. So the leaf of the leek is edible too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna tear some of this up. There we go. Add that on top. And there we go. Let's see how it is. It's good, probably because nothing that I did though. And I'm also really hungry, so.
This is your set. I am signing for two. I'm leaving you one. I'm dropping it on Sunday.
All right. We're trying to get to Elizabethton.
Oh my God.
Say hello.
No, we're in.
Hello.
We get to Elizabethton. Hello, everyone. The weather's bad, real bad. All right, so here's the deal. We are at the AmeriCorps in Elizabethton. I couldn't justify spending all the money to stay out here when I'm only still 2 hours from my actual home. So I'm getting a ride back home, and I'm gonna crash at home for a couple of days and wait for this weather to pass. And then after it passes, I'm gonna come back out here and meet everybody back on the trail, and we'll keep going. The weather's so bad. It's raining, and then temperatures are dropping, and it's supposed to be snow and ice, and there's tornadoes and lightning, and so it's just a mess, and everybody's scrambling to get off the mountain. So I'm gonna take a couple days off, and then we'll get back out there. 400 miles. Yabba. Let's keep going. 500 on my way. Let's go. The views are insane. I can't wait for you to see this. There's thunder and lightning. Look at Trail Town, bro. Shred it. Oh my God, he's coming right to me. He's coming right to me. No, Pony, don't do it. Oh, he's gonna bite you, dude. He's gonna bite you.